MLA ke Jowai constituency Bah Wailadmiki Shylla hagasi Balang ulalume ke jingialang bat ko Ophis Jowai Municipal Board ban pynbha ya ke madan Jrisaleiñ. Hagani ke jingialang ladon lang kitang ba na ke kurchalam ubah hesnong kasnong chutwaku kino hikai ke Government Boys High Secondary School ki officer na ki board district West Giant Hills bat na ketanat PWD. Hadirin ke jingialang MLA ula jurupru ya ke madan bat ula pynbha bakate ke madan kadon hapadeng jong kasor Jowai. Bat kadiga bakongsan bha namarwa manlau snem ya kajing rakhi ya ke Republic Day but Independence Day lapen long hakati kamadan. MLA ula pynbha badan ka man pin itanat bat pynbha ya kamadan nalor kajing pynbiang jaga syong ni seating gallery.
So we have sat and we have discussed that it is high time that we should take a step to beautify this very important ground, because every year, especially the national importance day celebration is being held here, that is Independence Day and Republic Day and many other more. So that's why it is high time, and then I'm so happy to inform that all of them were of the same opinion that we should try to do something to beautify this place.